what is it called? Dropper. Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be talking about the Glow collection from Pixi. So this was actually supposed to be like a challenge. You're supposed to test these products for 30 days and they were running this challenge on I think Instagram and YouTube, and you're supposed to use all of these 5-step skincare routine. You're supposed to do that for 30 days for a month, and then you see the result, the change, and then you upload your before and after pictures, something of that sort. Now this is like a late review because most of my products, at least this one here which is a cleanser, is almost empty. I will be talking about all of these products in detail and also showing you guys how I use this. Now first of all, let's just talk about the Glow collection in general because most of the products have the similar content. So the main ingredient here is glycolic acid, which is like very good for exfoliating. And if you guys don't know, Pixi became like very famous with like one of their best sellers is the Pixi Glow Tonic, which is high in glycolic acid. I have actually used the Glow Tonic. I think I've been using that since 2 years. Let me just quickly show you guys. So this is the previous Glow Tonic that I was using. My brother sent me this from Chicago, so this was in my Chicago haul video. If you all have not seen that, I'm gonna link that in the description box below. So I have been using this, and if you guys know me, you'll know that I have extremely sensitive skin, and I think at that time I had like some bouts of acne here and there, also because I was trying a lot of different makeup that my brother sent me. So this was very helpful. In fact, I also like to use this when I have rough skin or ingrown hair after shaving. So this is one thing that you guys would want to keep in mind. So let's start with the first product here, which is the cleanser. This one is like a very transparent, thick but not too thick and not too runny, but it has like a perfect gel consistency cleanser, and you can use this in the morning, in the night. The best thing is that it does not foam, so it's not like very harsh on the skin. Well, they advise to use this twice a day. You apply this on a damp face, you gently massage for 30 seconds, avoiding the eye area, rinse, clean and pat dry. Now I like to use this only in the morning because at the end of the day I don't like to just stick to this. I use like a facial makeup remover, even though I don't do makeup every day, but I do use mascara, lipstick and something for my eyebrows. That's something that I have to use. I use a lot of sunscreen throughout the day, so I like to just like deep clean my face. And again, you guys know that I do the 2-step cleansing routine. So this is something that I started using in the night, and honestly it was not that it did not do the task. I would never rely on a face wash to clean my makeup, so I'm not even getting to the point of reviewing it that way. But after I take off my makeup, I use this and it was not that bad. But I just personally felt that it was much better when I used it in the morning because I still want my nutrients, skin nutrients to be there and the pH to not be like too low. So I don't like to strip off all the moisture from my skin in the morning. So this was perfect for me. Moving on to the next product we have is the toner. So this is the award-winning Pixi toner, and I already spoke about my love for this toner before. So this was great. With this toner, I don't like to put it on a cotton pad and then like rub it on my face. I feel that it performs much better with me when I am just pouring few drops on my palm and then just tapping it into my skin. My other toners, honestly, I use it on a cotton pad, but with this one, it's just amazing when I just let it sit on my face. This does dry very quickly, even though it doesn't have like high alcohol content or something, but it really soothes your skin. I follow a lot of steps in my skincare routine, and for me, the most important thing is that I see to it that every step or every product has dried before I apply the next one or move on to the next one. So this is really making my skincare very quick. Next up, we have this very innovative thing. This is the moisturizer, the multi-use moisture stick. And the best part is this is such a pretty product. You open it, it's like a flat lipstick, and you just twist the bottom just exactly like you would use a lipstick, and there comes the product. This is very handy. First when I use this, I was like, oh my god, I think my skin is going to be too greasy, but this is like matte. A moisturizer which is matte, like this is quite interesting. So I like to use this especially during the day, because it leaves my skin less greasy and I know that I've moisturized well, and this is also something that you can carry along when you're traveling or something. The only thing that I don't like is I don't like the fact that it's coming in contact with my skin, and then I'm storing it that way, and next time I'm using it again that way. So that's the only drawback that I found in this. Otherwise, I think this was like a very innovative packaging. This is something that you would want to flaunt amongst your peers, because this is really, really cute. The next product that we have is the Phenomenal Gel, and this is supposed to hydrate your skin. I love this product because the consistency is just perfect. It's not too runny and it's not too thick, but this goes on so well. The skin absorbs it very quickly. It is, for me, it's more like a gel serum, something between the two of them, and it really doesn't leave my skin heavy or greasy or something. So I just love using this during daytime and sometimes also at the night. And the last product, which is for treating the skin, is the Glow Tonic Serum. So it comes with a dropper attached. Now previously when it came in the package, it was this cap instead of the dropper, and then the dropper was separate, so I had to attach it. So once you open it, you can see that the consistency is very, very thick and tacky and sticky, but this product literally won my heart. I use this only in the night because it is little sticky. But if you all have dry skin, you all would want to try this even during the day. But in the night, it's the perfect treatment for my skin. I just leave it, and then in the morning I'm waking up to this very fluffy and moisturized and plump face. So that's why I love this product. So one thing that I would like to mention is the way I have used this product now. Like you've seen, I've cleansed, I've toned, then I use the moisturizer mostly in the morning. I use the hydration, the balancing moisturizer again mostly in the morning. So that is like my morning skincare. And in the night I use the serum. At the end of all of this treatment, I end my skincare routine in the night with the serum. And the way they have mentioned it actually is supposed to be cleansing and then toning, and then you use the serum, and then you go on to the balancing moisturizer, and then you move on to the multi-use moisture stick on the go, which is quite understood. But for me, I like to increase the consistency or go in that order, because this has the thickest consistency out of all the products. I end my skincare routine with this one because I feel this is the heaviest, and this should go on at the end. But that's just my personal experience, that's just my personal view of using skincare products. Other than that, this is how they've mentioned it, this is how you're supposed to go with it. But then again, we have different skin types, and then it's always better to do it the way you are comfortable with. Now I'm going to quickly talk about my experience with these products. First of all, when I started using this product, I had breakouts, honestly, because I was trying few other skincare products at the same time, and I think it was not that this is good, that is bad, or vice versa. It was just that you should always stick to a particular ingredient range or a particular brand, or I mean, you guys get the gist, right? I mean, you're not supposed to experiment with different products and different contents at the same time. So I was using something with the vitamin C range in the morning, and in the evening I was using this, and I was trying new makeup, I was trying new foundation. So my skin reacted very bad. So I got this like at the perfect time. First, I was contemplating about what is the product which is causing the problem, and then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to stick to this for 30 days also, because they had mentioned the challenge. And I thought, okay, I'm going to stick to just this line for 30 days straight, and I'm going to be strict with that. And I just ended up with amazing skin, so much so that my cleanser is almost gone. And I told you guys that I've been using this only in the morning mostly. I think the only reason why I came out late with this video was because I am still struggling with the studio lights, and that's why you guys are usually complaining about the swatches that I did previously in my L'Oreal lipstick. I just can't help it. I'm trying to do my best, and I'm trying to come up with new videos because I want to be consistent with it. But I please request you guys to bear with that. I am working on the lighting, and I'm trying to make a schedule or whatsoever, but I need the support from you guys. So I think I spoke enough about this range, and yeah, there were no drawbacks whatsoever. There's no strong smell, or there's nothing which is like, oh my god, I cannot take this. It was not at all harsh on my skin. And the Glow range is really something that would target a lot of people with combination skin type. And if you all have like hydration problem, again, this is a good range. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. That would mean a lot, and hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I come out with a new video. I'm sending you lots of love and lots of happiness. Bye.